How to delete Telegram chats at once. Ever wished you could wave a magic and clear all your Telegram chats at once? Whether you are aiming for a fresh restart or just need to declutter, here's your quick and easy guide to wipe the slate clean. Watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to delete all those Telegram chats at once. First of all, launch the Telegram app on your device. Then make sure to log in or sign in to your account. Then on the chat section, you can simply select the chats you want to delete at once on Telegram. When you tap and hold one by one, and then you will get the trash button at the top right corner of the screen, where you can simply tap on it and then select the delete button. Once you have done that, all the chats on the chat section has already been deleted at once. The other way I can teach you is you need to exit from Telegram and then move towards the settings on your Android device. Once you open it, select the option for apps and then select app management. Here you need to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Telegram. Open it and navigate to storage users. You can simply select the clear cache button and then clear data as well if you have the option for it. You can select manage the space and then you can also auto remove cached media. You can select the time frame and easily delete all your Telegram data at once, including the chat as well. So that's how we do it. I hope this video worked for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.